Scon Design India PVT Ltd is a renowned company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, known for its expertise in DGPS surveying. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design India PVT Ltd has established itself as the best company in the industry. DGPS surveying is an essential part of various sectors, including construction, infrastructure development, and land surveying. Scon Design India PVT Ltd offers comprehensive DGPS survey services that are accurate, reliable, and cost-effective. DGPS, or Differential Global Positioning System, is a technique used to improve the accuracy of GPS positioning. It involves the use of multiple GPS receivers to measure the difference between the signals received from GPS satellites and a reference station. This differential correction allows for precise positioning, making it ideal for applications that require high levels of accuracy. At Scon Design India PVT Ltd, we understand the importance of accurate surveying in various projects. Our team of experts utilizes the latest DGPS technology to ensure precise measurements and reliable data. We have state-of-the-art equipment and software that enable us to conduct DGPS surveys with utmost precision and efficiency. Our team is well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and can handle projects of any scale and complexity. Our DGPS survey services at Scon Design India PVT Ltd encompass a wide range of applications. Whether it's topographic surveys, boundary surveys, or construction layout surveys, our team has the expertise to deliver accurate results. We follow industry standards and best practices to ensure that our surveys meet the highest quality standards. Our commitment to excellence and attention to detail sets us apart from other companies in the field. Scon Design India PVT Ltd takes pride in offering customized solutions to meet the unique needs of each client. We understand that every project is different and requires a tailored approach. Our team works closely with clients to understand their requirements and develop a surveying plan that best suits their needs. We are committed to delivering timely results without compromising on accuracy or quality. In addition to DGPS surveying, Scon Design India PVT Ltd also offers a range of other services related to land surveying and geospatial data management. Our comprehensive suite of services includes aerial surveying, GIS mapping, 3D modeling, and more. We have the expertise and resources to handle projects of any size or complexity, making us a one-stop solution for all your surveying needs. If you are looking for reliable DGPS survey services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, look no further than Scon Design India PVT Ltd. With our experience, expertise, and commitment to excellence, we are confident in our ability to deliver accurate and reliable results for your project. Contact us today to discuss your requirements and learn more about how we can assist you.